Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can instantly extract any length of audio from a video. You can just download Perl Studio Quick Audio Extractor from perl.g website or link in the description. After you install it, you can just open it. Drag and drop file in here. This is more than 2 hours of the video. And if you choose the raw audio, you can just press export, choose desktop, OK, save. And it will instantly extract the audio from the video. However, if you want different formats, for instance MP3, it will take longer. I will place shorter video and choose MP3, export audio, desktop, save. And it extracted the audio as MP3. As mentioned, if I try to do it on longer video file, it will take much longer, as it needs encoding this time. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.